How to add Messenger chat to Wix. So in order to add your Messenger chat to your Wix website, what you can do is you can head over to this help site right here and then sign up for an account. On your app catalog, search in here for Messenger. So in here, we can see in here this Facebook chat. So head over and then click on it, and you can choose the kind of template that you want to appear onto your site. We have the general, we have support, booking, sale, onboarding, consultation, and a lot more. For this case, I'll just choose the embed chat button right there. Now in here, you just head over and continue with the template that you want. And from in there, just click on the disconnect to Facebook option. So you need to connect to Facebook in order to actually use this part. Once you're done, click onto this publish option. Select in here the plan that you want. And then after that, this should be able to provide you a code right here. Copy the code, head back to your Wix site, and then from in there, click onto this plus icon. And plus icon, go over to the quick add, and then in here, you should be able to see this. Scroll down and then choose iframe, and then add that into this part. From in there, click onto this enter code, and then enter in here the code that we have copied. It should be able to show us the widget for the messenger chat. So that's how you add a messenger chat to Wix. Hope we helped.